first, we got to talk about Pfizer and its numbers this morning, because there, too, we saw a disappointment. The shares are up by 4%. And the disappointment is in the revenues. You can see a little bit there. It's also in the forecast for 2022, sales and profit forecast from Pfizer, missing analyst estimates. And what's interesting here is it's the vaccine for COVID-19 and Pfizer's treatment that seem to be the core of that disappointment, which is definitely a surprise here, because Pfizer has been obviously selling so much of it. You could point out as well that the stock decline this morning is coming on the back of what has been strong performance from Pfizer.
I know we always tend to, the market always looks, as they say, forward, Julian. It's always concerned with growth rates. I understand there might be some disappointment here, but take a step back. Here you have Pfizer outlining this year potentially $102 billion in total sales. Last year, they had $81.3 billion. Their earnings outlook is about $2 per share higher than what they produced last year. So again, this company continues to drive major sales, major earnings. It's not just because of the COVID-19 vaccine. They're in leadership positions in many other markets here. Understand the disappointment, but I would encourage investors to keep in mind just the growth this company is putting up on top of very large numbers from last year. It's very impressive.
True, but that $102 billion, as large as it is, analysts apparently were looking for $4 billion more. So there you go.
They're all
That's
so
part
greedy.
of what.
So greedy.
It's an expectations game, as always. Just wanted to quickly mention as well, Novavax. We're watching those shares as well, because there's some talk that company is not shipping out as much vaccine as it had thought. As it starts to get some approvals here, those shares, by the way, are down by almost 9% this morning.